Did somebody say open houses? Hi, Dionne Allan from Red Shoe Homes team. We are so excited that we can do open houses again. I'm actually hosting a class on September 22nd to talk about how we're doing open houses. One of our most successful lead generation tools has been open houses, and we want to share it with you. We're talking about what we do at a regular open house, how we've changed things for COVID protocols, and how we follow up, the most important thing about lead generation. So join us September 22nd, 1 p.m. The link is below. We'll see you there.